AX Manager is very well designed, intuitive user interface. It's optimized for touchscreen, but you can use also with standard laptop computer. It looks good and it's very easy to understand. We have wireless and a LAN connectivity. We have multiple ways to use that interface through the web browser.
You can use that tool on every possible available unit like smartphones, tablets, so it works on different platforms like Windows, Android and iOS because it's web browser based.
AX Manager is very intuitive because it's very graphical interface. When you change something, it tells you what you have changed. You can see the steps, what you're doing.
Weld Assist guidance tool is implemented in AX system, so it's a tool that helps the operator or integrator to find out the initial welding parameters for the application that the system is built.
Weld Assist is made for making the first step to create the weld program easy. Even if you don't know so well welding, it will help you to start with. That's kind of for the beginners, but also advanced user can use it to find the best parameters settings for the robot cell.